Hi, second graders, and welcome to another week of distance learning. Today on Monday, when you click on the one, it'll take you to a Quaver episode where you're going to learn about duration, which is the length of a note. So Quaver will tell you about our different notes that we have and what they're worth. On day number 2, on Tuesday, then you'll have a little song that'll help you remember the definition of duration. You'll have a little feel the note activity, and then the movements you do and that you learn on the feel the note you can use in Quaver's candy making machine. So for example, like if I did this field note, if I come over here, move this over. Okay, if I move my half note over, half notes are worth 2 beats, so it's like a brush. A quarter note is worth 1 beat, so that's a snap. Eighth notes make 2 sounds to the beat, they're worth a half of a beat, so it makes 2 sounds, T, T. You pat your knees, and then of course a rest would just make no sound at all. So you could do whatever pattern you'd want here and then try it. There's a play button down below the screen and you could try that with. And then you can use those actions as you see that rhythm for Quaver's Candy Making Machine song. All right, then on day number 3, Wednesday, then you're going to take out your silence cards. Well, first thing you'll do is you'll just go ahead and just sing through the animated song for silence, and you'll learn how to do the song. Then you can click on silence sound only. This won't have the animation, but here's how you spell the word silence. So you'll take your cards that look like this, spell it out on the floor, and then take your little quarter rests and put those in a separate stack. Then each time when they go through the song, they say hold up your, that'll be your rest sign. So you'll hold up your little rest sign, and then you would cover up the first letter in the alphabet, the first letter in the word silence for the first time. And the second time when you hold up, and you cover up the I. Then each time through you want to follow with your finger, see if you can spell the word silence, and when you have the rest, see if you can feel the rest in there. All right, and then there's some Halloween songs you can do as well, and you can come back to that any day that you have extra time. Then on day number 4, this is when you're going to take out the pumpkin page where you have to color the notes according to the key. Make sure you upload a picture of that to your Seesaw so I can see it when you're done. And then the last day, I must have been in. You can hear my daughter back there. I better hurry up. Okay, and then on day 5, you're going to do a jazzy jack-o'-lantern. So I'll let you just read that on your own. All right, I better get going. Have a great week.